Welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install your Roblox app. So let's get started. So what you need to do is you go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store. So when you open your Play Store, for Android, for iPhone user, you can go to your App Store and find the Roblox. If you're using your laptop, just go to your now you can go to your App Store or you go to your Microsoft Store to get the Roblox app. So just search here and you search for your Roblox. It's going to bring it. You can see. So you can just click on Roblox. So you can see this is it. I click on install, and you wait for it to install finish. Then automatically we're going to install it, and that will be very easy. So let's wait for it, guys. Let's wait for it. Yeah, I can say it's started installing. It's started downloading. Just want to wait for it just for a little to download finish. So as everything, guys, please subscribe. It really helps a lot. Thank you, guys. Yeah, it's mean a little. Okay, let's wait for it. It says my network is not doing good this time around. Yeah, give me some minutes. Let's wait for it. So just wait for it to install. Once you download it finish, you just have to install it. It is very easy and faster to install. So just wait for it a little. Okay, yeah, it means some minutes. I think the MB of the Roblox is something too much, and that is why the installing is somehow slowing a little. But we have to wait for it to download. So yeah, let's wait a little. Then we're going to download it, and I'm going to show you how to install it, and I'll show you how to interface it. So it's taking a little time. Okay, yeah, it's almost finished downloading. You can see it here. It's almost finished. And once it's finished, it will automatically, you can see it will automatically start installing itself. So you need to say installing now automatically. So we have to wait a little. You can see it has started installing automatically. So once you download anything, it will automatically install its own. So don't worry. Oh, guys, you can see it has installed. Finish. So you have to do is just click on play. Let's see how the interface look like. Okay, so these are the interface look like. This is how the interface look like. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. See you in our next video.